In a world racing ahead, we chose to stay rooted. Rooted in nature. Rooted in care. Welcome to Sbl, world-class homeopathy. For over 4 decades, Sbl has led the evolution of natural healing, combining purity, precision, and trust. Where harmony with nature meets cutting-edge science, we create remedies that touch lives. Our journey began in 1983 with the vision born from the conviction of Dr. Jugal Kishore and the dedication of Shri B.K. Shrestha. From humble beginnings, Sbl has grown into a global name in homeopathy, with 5 world-class manufacturing units spread across the country in Sahibabad, Jaipur, Haridwar, Unit 1 and Unit 2, and Sikkim, built not just to manufacture, but to uphold a higher standard of healing.
Sbl has been built with a clear purpose to provide highest quality homeopathic remedies and herbal products at the most affordable cost. All key decisions at Sbl are guided by the 5 core values at the heart of our organization. 1 is about care, 2 is about quality, 3 is integrity, 4 is about innovation, and 5 is about inclusiveness.
We believe that purity begins at the source. A few key raw materials like water and extra neutral alcohol are used in the making of all our products. Our ENA is sourced from certified vendors and tested for absolute purity, ensuring the strength and consistency of every formulation. Even the water we use is extraordinary, processed through a 7-stage DM purification system. It meets the highest standards of pharmaceutical safety. At Sbl, we've automated excellence. Our fully robotic lines eliminate human error and ensure precision at scale. Every bottle washed, filled, and labeled with the care and consistency the world expects from us. Quality isn't a formality at Sbl. It's the foundation of our science. Every raw material and batch is tested with advanced tools like HPLC and UV spectrometry, while even our dispensing alcohol for dilutions pass through multiple filters for consistency. Beyond the lab, every formulation undergoes ethically designed clinical trials with strict protocols and detailed documentation, ensuring that safety and science always go hand in hand. At the heart of homeopathy lies our mother tinctures. With purity as our guiding principle, every tincture is carefully prepared using hand-picked herbs from across India and trusted global partners, testing each through morphological, microscopical, and phytochemical evaluations. Extra neutral alcohol and water. The process flows through maceration, hydraulic pressing, advanced HPLC checks, and sparkler filtration before reaching you in its purest, most potent form. In homeopathy, precision is everything. Our dilutions are created through the process of potentization, serial dilution, and succussion, or vigorous shaking, that enhances the healing power of the remedy while removing toxicity. With automated systems ensuring accuracy, each dose carries the exact strength intended by science and tradition. Perfection is built into every Sbl tablet, made with 100% pharma-grade imported lactose and shaped by automated systems. Our tablets meet the highest standards of hygiene. Each batch is tested for hardness, disintegration, and weight, so every dose is uniform, safe, and effective. Our liquid specialties, including drops and syrups, reflect the same perfection. Automated production lines ensure consistency, while every formulation is crafted to deliver safe, reliable, and effective results. When it comes to eye care, there is no room for error. That's why our ophthalmic facility is designed with sterile zones, HEPA filters, and positive pressure systems. From formulation to filling, every step is tightly controlled, so each drop brings comfort, safety, and lasting relief. Our commitment to care extends beyond remedies. From personal care to baby care, every product is crafted under strict hygiene and quality protocols. With natural ingredients and dermatological safety, our BabyCare range is designed for delicate skin, ensuring gentle protection and wellness from the very start of life. Ointments and oral care products from Sbl are made in controlled environments with uniform formulations. Every tube is sealed for consistency and safety, delivering trusted relief and daily care. From production to delivery, we safeguard our products with modern storage facilities and temperature-controlled systems. Through a robust dispatch network, Sbl ensures that remedies reach retailers and families in perfect condition, ready to be trusted at every step of healing.
We are blessed with a team of highly inspired and skilled individuals who have helped build this company over the past 4 decades.
Sbl's strength lies in its people, professionals across research, manufacturing, quality, distribution, marketing, and sales. Together, they uphold the standards that define our products and the trust that defines our brand. With progress comes responsibility. From homeopathic remedies to personal wellness and herbal care, every Sbl product is made with one vision: to work in harmony with the human body, affordably and effectively. With a robust distribution network across Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Middle East, Sbl continues to deliver high-quality homeopathic solutions to global markets.
Sbl is a 100% made in India brand, serving not just in India, but the whole world. We are truly grateful to our homeopathic doctors and practitioners who have placed their trust and belief in the Sbl brand. The support has helped us become the market leader in the homeopathic industry.
To every doctor who prescribes our products, every retailer who champions them, and every family who chooses Sbl, your trust fuels our commitment to better healthcare. With a presence in both clinical and personal care spaces, Sbl's products play a consistent role in everyday wellness, backed by science and trusted by millions.
We believe the future of our company lies in research and development. That's why we continuously invest in various forms of research, including clinical and molecular level studies, conducted both in-house and in collaboration with reputed universities. Our long-term goal is to grow the homeopathic industry through scientific validation and to create a sustainable supply chain that meets the needs of all homeopathic doctors and practitioners globally.
Sbl, empowering life naturally, where science meets soul and every drop is a promise of care.